experimenting with endless techniques, I finally discovered the secret to ultra crispy rice paper shrimp dumplings. Want to know the secret? Stay tuned. Welcome to our new series of 30 minutes or less Asian recipes, without sacrificing any taste or texture. And with just a few simple ingredients, you can make the best crispy rice paper shrimp dumplings. In a small bowl, add the deveined shrimp. Season it with salt and white pepper. In a pan, add the cooking oil and the seasoned shrimp. Lightly cook the shrimp about halfway cooked through. Add some scallions. In a bowl, crack an egg. Whisk. Here we have some rice paper. Place a sheet of rice paper flat. So what is the secret to make the rice paper extra crispy? Most people soak rice paper in water, which makes it not so crispy. Today, no water is needed. We'll use beaten egg, and you'll see the result in a bit. And now we're gonna brush a thin layer of beaten egg on both sides of the rice paper. Wait for about 20 seconds until the rice paper becomes flexible. If it's still stiff, brush a little more egg. Add the shrimp filling along the bottom corner. Roll the rice paper around the filling to form a lock. Then twist the ends to create a spiral shape. Repeat with the process with the remaining rice paper and filling. Rice paper dumplings tend to break apart easily when you pan fry them. If you fold them this way, they're less likely to break apart. Give it a try and let me know how it goes for you. In a pan over medium heat, add the cooking oil. Once it is hot, add the shrimp dumplings. Pan fry until golden brown on each side for about 2 minutes. The beaten egg will help the rice paper achieve that beautiful golden color. Let's also make a dipping sauce. We're gonna mix together the soy sauce, Chinkiang vinegar, and chili oil. Click here for my super tasty homemade chili oil recipe. And there you have it. Crispy golden rice paper shrimp dumplings made in just 25 minutes. To make it into a meal, you can also pair it with my 5 minutes egg drop soup, and you can click here for the recipe. Absolutely delicious. It's flaky, crispy, airy, so good. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode also, and please comment below and let me know what is your favorite filling for dumplings. If you'd like a copy of my cookbook, check the description box. And subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow 30 minutes Asian recipes. I'll see you again in the next episode. Bye! Thank you for watching.